Good morning, dear student. Welcome back to second video lesson on cyber ethic, and the topic is open source software movement or open source software philosophy. So it is a movement in which the source code of the program or the software is provided, or you can say released, to the programmer, and then programmer will make voluntary modification and distribute to other person. So at the time of the modification, the programmer are making it voluntary, and then hence they are not paid any money for their modification, or you can say changes. And then there are different types of software. First one is proprietary or the closed source software. It is a paid software. If you want to use any program, then you have to pay for it. Example like Microsoft Office, Microsoft Windows, and Adobe Photoshop. If you want to use Microsoft Office in your laptop or the desktop, then you have to purchase from the computer shop or from online. And second one is open source software, OSS. It is a free software provided by the software company or the programmer, and then also you are provided with the source code, and also they provide you the permission to modify and redistribute to other person. And sometimes the owner of the software or the company may receive some payment for further support and further development. Example, Mozilla Firefox, OpenOffice, GIMP. So Mozilla Firefox is a web browser like Google Chrome, but the source code of the Mozilla Firefox is available to us. If you want to make some changes, you can't make changes on the Mozilla Firefox. And also the OpenOffice, it is same as Microsoft Office. In case of the Microsoft Office, we have to pay for it, but OpenOffice is free to use. And also the GIMP. GIMP is same as Adobe Photoshop. It is a photo editing software used to edit the photo, and GIMP is free, and you can download from the internet and install in your desktop or your laptop. And third one is freeware. So this type of software is available for free, but they are considered as proprietary or the closed source software, because their software source code is not available to us to make any modification. Some example are Google Meet, Zoom, Skype, Adobe Reader. All these are free, but we cannot make any changes on this software since we are not provided with the source code of this software. And fourth one is shareware, and this type of software is free for use, and also we can distribute to other person. But this kind of software we can use for some time, maybe 2 months, 3 months, like that. After that we have to pay for it. Yeah, then next one is FOSS, and this software is free, as well as it's belong to the open source software category, that is called FOSS. And the next one is free software, and this kind of software is freely available. We can use and we can modify or change. We can improve some feature in the software, and also we can make copy and distribute to other person without any payment. And this software include inside this free software category. Then next one is software license. So what is a software license? It's a legal document and which shows the detail regarding whether we can use the software or whether we can distribute the software. So what is the purpose of this software license? So it prohibit, prohibit means it stop or provide us the End user mean we are the person using the software with the right to make copy of the software, and also the whether we can distribute to other person or not, and all this include inside the software license. And software license are normally categorized into two. First one is a GNU, so you have to spell like this: GNU, General Public License. And this type of license provide us right to legally copy and distribute and modify the software. And a GNU Lascelles General Public License, and this license is provide to the free software so that it can be included into both free software as well as in the proprietary software category. Now the next topic is freedom of information. It means all the people in the world have same right to access, or you can say search, information available on the public platform, that is internet. Everybody has the same right to search information. Digital divide. It is uneven, or you can say inequality distribution in case of access or search of information, and then use of technology among the rurals and urban area. They have some kind of digital divide due to lack of facilities. And the digital divide may include the telephone. Even in the rural area, they don't have the telephone network, and also television and personal computer, that means your computer, and then they don't have a facility to search information on the internet. And the online class is a live example of the digital divide, since many parts of India even today don't have the electricity and the mobile network. That's why their children are not able to attend online class. You students are very lucky. You have a full access to any information, or you are able to attend the online class during this pandemic period. So what are the two major reasons of digital divide? First one is technology reach. In rural area, the latest technology are unable to reach due to lack of facilities, due to lack of the electricities, and then due to lack of medium of transportation. That's why they are lagging behind the urban area. And the second one is digital literacy, and there is a big difference between the rate of digital literacy between the rurals and the urban areas. And rurals, they lack the facility of the electricity, mobile communication, and they don't have the facility of the internet. They are lacking behind the urban area. Thank you, dear student. Now we finish with the cyber ethics chapter. Thank you.